In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify the reason for your Uber account block and take the necessary steps to resolve it. Whether you're a seasoned Uber driver or just starting, encountering a block on your account can be frustrating. However, understanding the cause and knowing how to address it will help get you back on the road quickly. Let's dive into identifying common reasons why an account might be temporarily deactivated and then explore the solutions. One prevalent reason for temporary deactivation is expired documents. Your driver's license, vehicle registration, and insurance must all be up to date to remain active on the platform. If any of these documents lapse, your account could be temporarily unavailable. It's always a good practice to keep track of expiration dates to ensure you're in compliance with Uber's requirements. Safety issues are another significant concern. Sometimes, failing a real-time ID check or engaging in unsafe driving practices could trigger an account hold. It's essential to not only address these issues promptly if they arise, but also understand why they're critical to maintaining a safe environment for everyone. Fraudulent activity, even if unintentional, is also a major red flag. Any activity perceived as fraudulent can result in immediate deactivation. Similarly, instances of discrimination, offensive remarks, or refusing service to individuals with wheelchairs or service animals are taken very seriously by Uber and can lead to account suspension. Now, if you've determined the possible cause, the next step is contacting Uber support. Begin by navigating to the Help section on the Uber app or website. Here, you'll select Driving and Delivery and look for options related to account issues or support contact. Engaging with Uber through these channels is crucial as they can provide specific guidance based on your situation. If you prefer face-to-face assistance or your concerns are more complex, visiting a local Uber Greenlight hub is an effective option. These hubs are staffed with trained personnel who can offer personal support and guidance on reactivating your account. Whichever option you choose, make sure you have your name, phone number, and a clear description of your issue ready. This information will help the support team assist you more efficiently. With the cause identified and support contacted, it's time to resolve the issue. If expired documents are the culprit, ensure you upload fresh, valid copies as quickly as possible. For safety concerns or any real-time ID check failures, closely follow Uber's instructions to rectify the situation. They're often very clear and will guide you through the necessary steps to ensure your account is reinstated. If you've been deactivated, submitting an appeal might be the course of action. Use the designated appeal portal and provide a detailed explanation of why you believe the deactivation was a mistake, paired with any supporting evidence you might have. Always be candid and provide as much detail as possible to support your case. By following these steps, you'll increase your chances of resolving the issue swiftly and getting back to doing what you love. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide serves as a helpful resource. Stay safe and happy driving.